Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we take a look at the Counteract kit of 4 4-ounce bags of tire balancing beads for half-ton to 1-ton trucks. Now these Counteract balancing beads are the economical way to balance your tire and wheel assemblies on your half-ton up to 1-ton trucks for the life of the tires. Basically the beads are designed to install inside the tires. Now I did want to zoom in and show you what everything's included. Everything on this table is included. It includes the 4 4-ounce bags of balancing beads, the 4 vortex valve cores, the 4 self-sealing valve caps, a valve core remover, an injector bottle, and a tube. Now the beads themselves, I do want to show you them. We open this one up just so you can see. But this is a 4-ounce bag, and the beads are tiny spheres that are made of coated glass. These balancing beads will not cause any damage to the inner liner of your tire, and they won't clump regardless of excess moisture, and they are TPMS compatible. What's nice is they're environmentally friendly construction, so they're reusable and recyclable. Now how these beads will work, I want to tell you how they work, but I am going to pop up an insert that you can follow along. Basically what happens is once your tire begins to roll, the bag here of beads will break on the inside, and the beads will get distributed around the interior thanks to centrifugal force. Basically as the wheel continues to spin, the heavy spot in your unbalanced tire will pull up and down on your vehicle suspension, and this will cause the beads to shift in the opposite direction of that pull. So the beads will continue to migrate there until there's enough of them on the opposite side of the heavy spot to balance out your tire. And these tire balancing beads do continuously and automatically readjust the balance of any truck tires. It does reduce vibration, ensures even wear to increase the life of the tire, and it does improve fuel economy. Now we mentioned it's an easy installation, so you just throw the bead bags into the tires when they're removed from the wheels. If the tire is already installed on the wheel and you want to install these, you can inject them into the valve stem using the bottle and the tube. What you'll do is take the included valve core remover, remove your valve core from the tire stem, put your beads in the bottle, put your tube on there, and now you can inject the beads through the valve stem into your tire. Basically the beads will remain inside the tires, they won't come loose, and they will not cause any damage to the wheels. One note I do want to mention, if your tire has internal TPMS sensors, you will need to break down the tire to install these beads. Application again, this is for 4 4-ounce bags, and it'll fit 14-inch up to 22-inch size truck tires. The balancing beads are designed for use on trucks with a minimum of a half-ton suspension. You do not want to use these beads on passenger cars or SUVs. And to know how many beads you want to order to the correct mount, for your application, what you'll do is get the size of the tires from the sidewall of your tire and then match it to the tire sizes that are listed on this product page for that size bag of beads. This is a 4-ounce bag. Now we do offer these in different sizes. Now in order to reduce the possibility of any valve leaks, they do recommend to replace your factory valve core with the Counteract valve core and your factory cap with the self-sealing metal valve cap. It is recommended to replace those with these. And these are included in every bag of the Counteract beads. The parts are made in the USA, and this is for a quantity of 4 bags of beads for 4 tires. But that's going to do it for the review on the Counteract kit of 4 4-ounce bags of tire balancing beads for the half-ton to 1-ton trucks.